Using Apple Pay NFC payments is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. To get started, first ensure your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. You will also need to add a credit or debit card to the wallet app on your device. When to use Apple Pay NFC payments depends on the situation. For example, if you are at a store that accepts contactless payments, you can use Apple Pay to make a purchase. Look for the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo at the checkout counter to confirm. To make a payment, simply hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or double-click the side button for Face ID. And you will feel a gentle vibration and hear a beep to confirm the payment. Another scenario where Apple Pay is useful is when you are using public transportation. Many public transportation systems now accept contactless payments, allowing you to quickly and easily pay your fare with Apple Pay. Apple Pay is also useful when making online purchases. Many websites and apps now accept Apple Pay, allowing you to quickly and securely check out without having to enter your credit card information. In addition to the convenience, Apple Pay also provides an extra layer of security. Your credit card information is not stored on your device, and your transactions are encrypted, making it a more secure way to make payments. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device and wallet app up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and being aware of your surroundings when making a payment. In summary, Apple Pay NFC payments are a convenient, secure, and widely accepted way to make transactions. By understanding when to use Apple Pay and following best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits it has to offer and make your daily transactions easier and more secure.